Let me tell you how somebody went to go get their taxes done and ended up getting audited for a business they never even had. Go ahead, grab your drink because this one right here, this one is messy. All right, so listen. This person goes to one of them big tax places, right? I ain't gonna say no names, but just know it's a big name company, real office, legit looking everything. Okay, you probably seen that commercial. But they thinking they good. Like, okay, cool. I'm about to go in, get my refund. I'm in, I'm out. Get ready to spend this money. They already calculating in their mind what they about to buy, right? So they sit down with the preparer. Everything is cool. Everything is regular schmegular. They going through the numbers. Everything's getting entered, asking questions, a little small talk, chit chat, paddywhack. You know how it go. So when they're done, they sign everything. Later on, they get their refund. Everything cool. But fast forward a few months, right? Now they start getting letters in the mail from the I, the IRA, and the S. And the IRS is talking about, we need proof of your business expenses and that you actually have a business. What? They're like, business? So this person is like, what business? I work a regular 9 to 5. I don't own nothing. So now they go back through their tax return, right? Because most of y'all don't even be worried about what was done on your tax return. You just be worried about how much you getting back on your refund. And guess what they see when they go back through their tax return? A whole Schedule C, a whole business. I mean, income, expenses, deductions, all that type stuff. Letter they got from the IRS is like, prove it. They want to see proof like receipts. They want mileage. They want expenses, inventory, all that. And this person is sitting there like, I don't even know what I'm supposed to be proving. Like, what am I supposed to be showing right now? I ain't got it. So they go back to the place where they actually got their taxes done. And the person that did their tax return, gone. They ain't there. There's no record, no contact, no nothing. Because of course they can't give their personal info out to just clients and stuff all willy-nilly. But the cold part about it, when they look at the tax return, it was filed as self-prepared, which means it's looking as if they did the tax return themselves. No preparer signature, no P10, which is the practitioner tax identification number, nothing. So basically, you signed your name and took full responsibility for something you didn't even know was on your tax return. So now they over here stuck like Chuck because they still have to respond to this IRS letter. You can't point fingers. You can't call nobody. And the IRS, oh, they don't care who did it. Now they coming for you because it looks like you did it for one, and you can't even tie it to anybody else. And see, this is exactly why I be looking sideways when people be like, oh, I got a big refund. I don't know how, but I ain't asking no questions. Baby, you better start asking those questions. What? And if you ever had something weird on your tax return or something just didn't feel right, comment tax below because listen, we got to clean that up before the IRS comes a knocking because they will. But this is also exactly why I be teaching people how to do taxes the right way. Like I literally will train y'all on how to run your tax business using software, having a legit CRM, making sure you can do your marketing properly because too many people are out here playing in folks' money like this and then disappearing like a ghost when it's actually time to take responsibility to whole world. And if you're not subscribed yet, what you waiting on? Because I got way too many stories like this. Y'all better subscribe and get this tea. But I want to know, have y'all ever looked at your tax return and saw something you didn't quite understand? Or do y'all just sign and trust the process? Be honest.